60. Nagging. When I went to school, Aesop's Fables was read by children with delight. We need to remember some of their wisdom. Do you remember the fable, The Crow and the Swan? Its conclusion is, you may change your habits, but not your nature. We're spending billions of dollars and much time trying to change the exterior of things, but not dealing with the heart of the problem. No matter how much people change their habits, they remain sinners as long as they deny Jesus Christ. We've too many people in the church and out of it whose solution is to demonstrate, talk, nag and protest. Theirs is the gospel according to nagging. Nag everybody until the world and men are changed. Doesn't anyone believe in prayer and conversion anymore? Many church members seem to believe that the good works of faith require criticizing their pastor and other members. How will we be remembered?